Hello, I'm Dr. Vinay, intern at KMC Manipal. I want to, this video is for UG and exam undergoing candidates. I want to tell you that how to recall entire NEET UG syllabus in just few minutes, because it is very essential to recall, to memorize and recall what I have learned in previous stage before entering the examination hall. So just recalling is a very essential element to produce effective result. Now I will tell you how the entire syllabus in just few minutes. Just entire NEET UG syllabus is mu, IPO and psyche. Mu is physics, IPO is chemistry and psyche is biology. Under mu comes mechanics, waves, electronics. Under mechanics it comes force, friction, mass, energy, momentum, conservation in linear, relative, projectile, circular, rotational, gravitational and simple harmonic motion. So entire mechanics is covered. You can add basic like a unidimension and a scalar and vector. Now comes to waves. Under waves we have three waves: light, heat, sound waves. So waves part covered. Now under electronics we cover electrostat, current, magnet, modern. We will elaborate further in details under each topic under few subheading in separate video. Just for recalling how we enter examination hall, and before that how I remember every topics in just few minutes before entering examination hall in NEET UG. Now comes to chemistry. Chemistry is basic law of matter in GOC, application of psyche. So chemistry is basic law of matter in GOC application. Under basic comes physical chemistry, the mole concept, equivalent weight, redox reaction, stoichiometry, volumetry, ideometry. Physical chemistry law is also under physical chemistry: thermodynamics, kinetics, equilibrium, electrostatics. Under equilibrium it comes chemical and ionic equilibrium. Law of means nothing, it is just for in continuation of the sentence. In the matter we come solid, liquid, gas, surface, atomic and nuclear. So here till here basic law of matter, physical chemistry is covered. Now comes to inorganic chemistry. In means inorganic. In inorganic base, the main inorganic is S block, P block, D block, F block and coordination compounds. Rest other are covered in other where topics. Application in GOC general organic chemistry, general bonding, nomenclature, isomerism, reaction mechanism. Organic chemistry: alkane, alkene, alkyne, aromatic, halide, alcohol, phenol, ether, aldehyde, ketone, acid, amine, biomolecules. Applied chemistry. So these are all the chapters in chemistry. Once again we will recall. In the chemistry comes physical IPO, inorganic, physical, organic, but here we will different. But here we will discuss first of all basic chemistry. That is basic chemistry, mole concept, physical chemistry, and it comes under physical, basic law of matter. Till here physical chemistry. In is inorganic chemistry, GOC is general organic chemistry. In basic, mole concept, equivalent weight, redox reaction, stoichiometry, volumetry, ideometry. And in law that comes the thermodynamics, kinetics, equilibrium, electrochemistry. In matter, that is in means of matter, of is silent here, matter is solid, liquid, gas, surface, atomic and nuclear. Now comes inorganic chemistry. Inorganic SPDF, S block, P block, D block, F block and coordination compounds. This all discuss the inorganic chemistry. And now general GOC means general organic chemistry. General, under general comes atomic structure, bonding, isomerism, and reaction mechanism. Organic chemistry is the main organic chemistry is alkane, alkene, alkyne, aromatic, halide, alcohol, phenol, ether, aldehyde, ketone, acid, amine, biomolecules and applied chemistry. Now we come to the main sentence. Mechanics, waves, electronics is basic law of matter in GOC application of psyche. So till here application we have covered, but in continuity of application we will tell here psyching. Psyching means we will discuss here application psyching in GOC application of psyching. Psyching just as a mnemonic you can recall entire syllabus of biology with one word psyching. Cyto application, eco evolution of kingdom. Cyto application, under cyto application, cytology, molecular biology, biochemistry, genetics application. In cyto, Psi means cyto application. Eco evolution of kingdom. Under kingdom comes Plantae and Animalia. Plantae classification, morphology, anatomy, physiology. Plantae entire plant kingdom syllabus is botany is covered under these 4 subheadings. That is classification, morphology, anatomy, physiology. Under Animalia it comes classification and system. System means human physiology. Under classification, we will discuss in separate video what are the subheadings. But in systems, that is musculoskeletal, integumentary means a skin, tissue system, epithelial, connective, muscular, nervous, immune system is separate topic, sense organ, ear, eye, nervous system, digestive, respiratory, circulatory, excretory, endocrine, reproductive. So this summarizes what we have read in. So this all summarizes what we have read in UG syllabus in 11 and 12th. Thank you for your kind attention. Love you all.